Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to run WordPress server on your personal computer. For this action we need an app called local. The name comes, obviously, from the function of running the WordPress server locally, which means that you don't need any hosting services to get on your website. Disclaimer: the only person which will be able to see the website is you, is not published on the internet, it isn't public for everyone. So, the first step is to download the local program, which can be downloaded from their website. I will leave the link in the description below. You can create an account or download it free. Let's select the second option. Select your operating system, then input the needed credentials. As far as know, they are not verified, so you can input whatever you want. Now click on Get It Now and the download should be started. Wait a little. So, we have the installer downloaded, we need to run it and install the application. You can see that the installer interface just appeared. Now you need to select for which user do you want to install the program. Then click Next. You can set up the path where you want to install it, I will leave it as it is. Then click on Install. Wait a little. Now, the local has been installed, click on Finish and it will run the app. As you can see, a fancy user interface is displayed. There are a ton of other functions built for WordPress developers, but it's unnecessary for today's lecture. So, you don't have any site, we need to create one. Click on the plus icon, where when we are hovering it is displayed Add Local Site. Now, click on Create a New Site, you can add your existing WordPress website as well. After it, click on Continue. Now, you must type the name of the web server. Then click on Continue. Select the preferred environment, Continue. Now you must type your WordPress username and password because with this credentials you will log into admin panel. Then press Add Site. Wait a little bit, we'll request admin permissions to access the host's file to add your virtual domain address. Now, the WordPress has been installed and now our local server is running. Press on WP admin to access the dashboard. Enter the set credentials. And now you are logged in. There we are, on the admin panel where you can edit your WordPress website. To stop the server, you click on Stop Site and it will end all. Thanks for watching. Like if it helped you and subscribe for other helpful tutorials. See you again, have a good one.